Alright, we are here at the Grand Station, Metrolink and Metrobus, and we have two elevators to look at here. This is the northbound buses. Schindler? What? I didn't know there were Schindlers on this system. Here or two. So there's the other elevator over there. And there comes a train. There goes that elevator. And now we'll walk over and ride the other one. Here's the other elevator. I'm going to assume as well that it is a Schindler. Interesting that it has the PTL call buttons though. Can't really see it. All the stairs in the way. But it's on its way down. And the firelight is no more. Oh, very loud chime. There's a view of the shaft. Someone was eating their breakfast in here. This one's more interesting than the other one. There's a view out.
Sir?
Yes?
How you doing today?
How you doing?
No, I'm alright. Everything okay?
Oh yeah, everything's going good. Just taking a picture of the elevator.
Alright. We're just needing to get close up, wondering what's going on. So you're all good though? You don't need any assistance?
No, I'm good.
Okay, just make sure to be careful while you're walking. Don't step out in front of anything, okay?
Alright. You have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
Now that right there is how security should be. Alright. Well, it's good to know that they watch their cameras. Alright, that's it.